think I'm up overall from the entry price around 200 times. Now, it's not as good as Kate, which ended up being 3,000 times return. So not 3,000%, 3,000 times. But there was a lot more money in Steppen, so that's technically my best trade.
Just before we start our first challenge then, I want you to tell me, what is your best ever trade with crypto? I'm going to ask you your worst later, but we'll start off with positive. What's your best ever trade on crypto, Nick?
Well, now it used to be this crypto called Kate or Cat E, which I've talked about a million times on Trading Battle, but it actually has been replaced by Steppen. Steppen is a FitFi, which is fitness finance crypto. Basically, you install this app on your phone, you go for a walk, and you earn money. There's a crypto attached to this. We got into that crypto, like, I can't even remember, it was just a few weeks ago, and it's just made like incredible returns. So yeah, that's the best one. I think I'm up overall from the entry price around 200 times. Now, it's not as good as Kate, which ended up being 3,000 times return. So not 3,000%, 3,000 times. But there was a lot more money in Steppen, so that's technically my best trade.
Yeah, I think that what attracts people to crypto so much is you hear these insane stories of like these 2,000, 3,000% returns, and you just don't get that in traditional investing, do you? I think that's what's so attractive. It's almost like the old penny stocks that could sort of explode overnight, but in a much more modern form. I mean, you just highlight how much more I need to learn about crypto as you've described, going for a walk and earning money. So that's something that's I need to probably have a look at after. Santo,
I earn about $40 when I take my dog for a walk. Sorry, I was just going to say, I earn about $40 when I take my dog for a walk.
Okay, crazy. Yeah, I imagine 20 years ago, if you told someone you'd earn money for taking your dog for a walk by something on the internet, you probably would have been sectioned. But such is the way the world evolves. Santo, your best ever crypto trade?
Yeah, it's actually an interesting story. So 2019, it was Christmas Eve, and I'd only owned Ethereum and BTC at the time, and BTC, it was only a small portion, but Ethereum started to take off, and the gas fees just to sell and buy Ethereum were just through the roof, right? And I thought there's got to be something else out there that isn't as expensive. And I typed in Google, what is better than blockchain? And the first thing that came up was blockchain versus Hashgraph. So I said, what's Hashgraph? And it was about 2 a.m. in the morning. I was laying next to my wife. I'm Googling, went into quite a few Reddit funnels and jumped on to see what the price was, and HBAR was at 3 cents US. And I said, wow, that's pretty crazy. How come no one's jumped on this yet? Jumped on Google, started Googling about them, and they had Google on there in their governing council. And they also had Boeing on their governing council and LG. So did a little bit more research, and I found out that a broker in Oz actually listed it only a few weeks prior. So that was I just put a large parcel on it at 3 cents, and I'm still holding most of it today. I did sell up and down as it was chopping around, but that's probably one of my largest positions still to today.
Excellent. Yeah, I mean, if I was going to stereotype a crypto trader, it would be someone on Christmas Eve laid with a wife in bed, although probably wouldn't have a wife, on the mobile phone researching esoteric cryptos. I think that couldn't play into the image. That's the passion and dedication that you need, I think, in order to succeed, I guess. But yeah, great stories, guys. Always interesting time that. Mine's a little bit more boring because I'm not as sophisticated as you. I've just got a wallet with some Bitcoin in, and hopefully it'll go up. So that's about as sophisticated as I get with crypto. Unleveraged and boring, but that's safe enough for me. Right, I think it's time we get in.